The commitment of China to a shared future based on world peace is immensely important. We as a Communist Party obviously support that objective of a shared future. The achievements of the Communist Party of China are not just for the people of China. They are as a beacon for the people across the world.
It's a great idea because this idea is based on the peace and cooperation. It's not the idea of the nations that are only concentrated on their own interest. This is idea of the nations that contribute to the common future, and they contribute to the common development, to the peace, and to the, as you describe it, common happiness. And that's why I think that the philosophy that you are now declaring and presenting is great philosophy, and you have a great role to play.
Building a community with a shared future for mankind, I think that's the way we should act.
We cannot have individual prosperity without referring also to the common goal. And this is not just valid within any country, but taking into account the humanity as a whole. I think this is a real humanitarian message that all of us should follow.